Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 12 of our Marchesi Vocal Exercise Challenge. Today, we're going to be doing the 9th scale, which we're all very familiar with, in exercise number 16.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Now, this exercise, it's very important that you attend to the rhythm and you don't try to go too fast too soon, because as coming up later in this book, we're going to be having 16th note scales, but this one is written in 8th notes. And I think the reason Marchesi writes this in 8th notes is so that we know that we're not supposed to go super fast like a coloratura passage or something of the like. I think it's to really more keep the voice moving, but attend to each pitch and the intonation and the smoothness of the registration from one pitch to the next, and not that we're trying to go as fast as possible. So that is what we are going to do today. So really take your time to go from pitch to pitch. You don't want to go slow, but you don't want to go lightning speed. So really find that middle tempo that might feel a little uncomfortable because it feels too slow and it feels also too fast. So play around with that and let's see how you do. So here we go. Exercise is also a really great way to start your day. In all transparency here, I actually haven't vocalized at all today. I had a pretty late and long rehearsal last night, so I said, you know what, I'm going to record this video and just see how it goes. And I'm noticing how easy it feels to sing. So this is a great exercise to kind of use to start out your day, especially if you've been singing a lot in the past couple days and your voice is relatively in line. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow, day 13, and we will go into exercise 17, which gets a little bit more expansive on our scale.